All right, so we're going to talk about custom domains in Microsoft 365 and why they matter and how to set them up. So this is just me. I'm Nsikan Ikpe once again, a Microsoft 365 and Power Platform specialist, and I love playing the piano. You can catch me on LinkedIn for the rest of the stories about me. So we're going to talk about what custom domains are, the importance, and then set up. I'm trying to make sure we save time for others that are going to join us. So simply, just in case you are new to tech and you just joined this call, a domain is simply that administrative structure that helps you to access, organize your resources on the internet. Look at it as you have Microsoft.com. Microsoft is a domain itself. So why do we need to have custom domains? It helps give your organization a professional look. First of all, it makes you look serious before me, right? And it also gives you that trust, credibility. It makes me trust your brand and know that I am in safe hands. And also on the admin side of things, even administrator, right? It helps you to manage your users effectively, assign licenses to them, delete the users, and you don't like that part, assign, modify, and overall licenses enhances. It helps to enhance operational effectiveness and make things easy for the administrator. And so there's also a very important benefit, which is the security aspect of it. There is something about phishing risk. You don't want to risk your organization with phishing risk. So having a custom domain helps you avoid that. So let's head right to our portal as I run you through. And I'm sure these slides will be made available to everyone so you can have a read at a convenient time. But there are three things you have to keep in mind for you to add a custom domain to your organization's, all right, domain center. So make sure you have the global admin role or the domain name administrator role. So why do we say domain name administrator role? We encourage least privilege role. So you don't give someone the role they don't need, right? So you can give them the domain name administrator role that way they can add domain. All right, so I'm right here at Microsoft Admin Center, M365 Admin Center. So I'm at the home. So in case you want to know how to get there, you just click on admin and that will take you right in. All right. So we are here, and also do not forget this, make sure that the domain is yours. Don't steal somebody's domain. So you come to show all, you find settings, you click on domain. All right, so we already have a couple of domains and they are very healthy. They do medical checkups every now and then, and all my domains are healthy. So the next thing you click is add domain. Just to be sure the domain name I want to use, I will head to my registrar and also make sure you have access to your DNS management portal on your registrar's site. So this is the domain I want to use, domain. So I'll just copy this. I'm a lazy guy when it comes to stuff like this. I like to copy. So I'll just paste it here. All right. So they're asking me, what do you want to do? I want to use this domain. So I'll click on use this domain. So that there are two ways you can do it. Microsoft makes it very easy in partnership with GoDaddy. And by the way, I'm not working for GoDaddy, but they make it easy. You can just add your domain automatically without having to do manual setup. But for the sake of those who are new to this, I'm going to go the manual way where you can set up manually. So we use text record. Text record kind of shows that you own the domain. All right. So I'll use the text record option and continue. So while that is loading, all right, so these values here is what you will prove. This is more like your proof of your ID to show you own this domain. So I'll head to my domain registrar. And like I said earlier, you can verify with ease with this, but I'll just choose to add new record. So they're asking me, what do you want to add? A text record. So what is the name? You come here. So you have the text name is art. I don't know why they use that. Anyway, that's quite simple. So I'll just paste it here. What's the next thing? You have the MS value, the text value. So it's pretty much copy and paste. Isn't that easy? You paste that here. And the time to leave is 3600. So I'll come here. This is where you know if you're a mathematician, but I'm not, and I'm quite lazy on this. I'll just go to custom and I'll put in my value. I don't want to get confused. I don't know how many seconds make an hour. All right, so you go ahead and save it. So it's just going to update it. And so you have your text record here. Let's head back to the portal. And let's just wait a few seconds. Some domains might take a long time. Thank you. Someone says 1 hour. Thank you. I usually skip mathematics while in school. So sometimes it takes a longer time, but I kind of trust my instinct. Let's verify and see. This is the point you'll be like, what's going on? Please, please, please don't do this. Do it. Don't do it. Do it. Okay. All right. So we're good to go. And you just click continue. And boom, we should be done with our. All right. So they're asking us to add this MS record, add DNS record if you want to. Let me go to advanced. All right. So I'm going to add this DNS record. So I'll choose to add the MX record. So go ahead. So for GoDaddy, I'll just, like I said, you can pretty much do the same thing by going to, imputing those values one after the other. But let me do the easiest way, connecting directly. Just like I did for the text record, you can go ahead and do the same thing for MX record. And boom, my domain is ready. So how do I confirm my domain is ready? Once I click on this, let's go back to so you can see, just do a refresh here. You will notice some records would have been added. All right. So let's go to the next page. Earlier on, we had just one page. So you can see my MX record is here and a few other records that I just added automatically from my M365 admin center. So you have your domain ready and it's very healthy. Just finished its medicals and it came out very healthy. All right. So just to test things, I would like to create a user and assign the user that domain. So I'm going to call this demo domain. I'm going to call this demo domain and let's just call it demo user. All right. Excuse me. Yeah, let me assign you this. Okay. So did you see what happened? Let me go back to this. This is the domain. And I'm just checking right here. This is my domain demo online. So I've just assigned my user that domain name. And I can go ahead and log in the user. All right. So let's finish our setup. Don't worry, I'm going to change my password. You don't have to copy it. Okay. So let's try to sign in this user and see what happens. So with this, you have your professional email look. You can come here. All right. So if you have questions, you can, this is the time to start prepping your question, and I'll be glad to respond. All right, so here we are. So I'm looking at the charts just in case you have any question. I'll be glad to respond. So who can remember it was demo user at, demo domain dot online. Is that what we had? Let's hope that is it. Let's go back to. Okay, domain demo. Thank you. Domain demo. Here we go. And I put in the password just to prove to you that this user exists. All right. Then, not now. Here we go. The almighty authenticator. I got you. Next. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and scan this. That was pretty much fast. All right. And next. Some more security. See what I told you about. That's the importance of having a custom domain. You have a lot of security guys at the gate to make sure everything's safe. So it should take me right in. It's another layer of security. My God, they can't hack me. All right, so I'm going to add the previous one and then just do. Oh, what happened? Oh, you've seen this password so many times. Okay, let's just type something else. Okay, my chief security officer has allowed me access. So here we are. This is the guy so this is a new employee who has been added to. For now, he doesn't have any administrator role. It's just an irregular user. So just to summarize things, we can't emphasize more on the importance of having a custom domain. You can see it gives you that credibility. It gives your brand an identity, a professional one for that matter. And so thank you so much for joining the call and staying with me. I'm Nsikan Ikpe once again.